What up everyone? Today we're gonna do the bike and cleanup competition. A battle between two teams fighting to get the most bin bags. Who will win? Let's go!
So what do you think about this, man, if you walk around?
It's a really nice area.
Yeah, you shouldn't feel sorry. You should feel awesome because you're cleaning up here, man, right?
Yeah, it's
Yeah.
the first time.
Yeah, that's great. Fist bump. Oh no, you want to have my iced coffee? I mean a fist bump. So first of all, did you have fun? Would you do it again? Yeah! That's awesome. Let's just start with the red team. Can I have like a drum on the table? 39 bin bags! 18 and 48! Thank you guys. Big time, 87 bin bags in total, which is like a lot. And you also, like I said, lost the Co van Kessel, got sponsored.
Join us on a bicycle tour. We will take you off the beaten path and show you the real Bangkok. Click here to go to our website and find out more about our tours. And click here to see our previous video. And click here to find out more about us. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe.